Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to sign up Chime Bank online banking account. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. At the search bar, you can simply search chime.com and press enter, and you will be directly lead to this official homepage. At the top right, you can see the sign up option. You have to click over there. At first here we need to fill down our basic information, that is like your first name, last name and email. So make sure you enter your credentials correctly. After that all you have to do is click on next. After that you need to enter your date of birth. Make sure you must be 18 years old or older to join Chime. After that you have to do is click on next. Now here you need to enter your mobile phone number. Your number is used to protect your account and keep in touch. You can see the option of announcement over here. You can click over there, but it is optional. If you click on this option, then they will make sure that you are updated. After this, you need to click on next. Now here you need to enter your home address. They will verify your home address because this is also where they will be sending your new card. Now make sure you enter your street address, zip code, city and state correctly. Suite number can also be written, but it is totally optional. Now after that all you have to do is click on next. After that some verification process may be needed. Make sure to follow it accordingly and you will be signed up for your Chime account successfully. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.